Let's go on to our last topic, and we've saved, well, if not the best, then the funniest for last. A podcasting convention in America issued a grovelling apology yesterday for allowing one of the world's biggest podcasters, Ben Shapiro, into the venue. Now, Shapiro is a conservative, and in the age of safe spaces, that means his mere presence supposedly caused people physical harm. Hi folks, we owe you an apology before sessions kick off for the day. Yesterday afternoon, Ben Shapiro briefly visited the PM22 Expo area near the Daily Wire booth. Though he was not registered or expected, we take full responsibility for the harm done by his presence. Well, thankfully, Ben took the backlash in very good spirits and released this video.
So do I get to get a picture?
1, 2, 3.
God bless you.
Hey, thank you. Yeah, thanks for everything you do. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm excited about it.
No, it's great. Thank you so much for coming. This is huge.
Of course, of course. Thanks.
Well, Kel, what do you make of that? Safe spaces, triggered snowflakes?
You said it is hilarious, and it is hilarious that they have to apologise because a Conservative walked in. Can you imagine if Andrew Bolt walked into the Sydney Boat Show and the organisers said, "We apologise, Andrew Bolt got through the front door, never happen again." I mean, it is very funny.
And then you see the video and he's just having a polite conversation and shaking hands. Very
just
ridiculous.
Just being there was the offence, and that is just so weird.
Very weird.
Weird with the capital W.
Kel Richards, thank you so much for joining me. Rebecca Weiser, it's always a pleasure.
Equally.